there's some crack on the screen, but it's just not light up. I think maybe the screen problem. This shell currently we have already opened, because you need to take some open the shell. Okay, it's not that easy. Then next we just open up the battery. This battery you can use plier to just open up. So to open up the battery, okay, so the battery is able to remove it easily. So after open up, then you just try to take out the screw. So you see now the motherboard has already taken out, so we're just trying to take the screen out. Just apply some heat on the screen. So we just use another tool to just pop it out. So firstly we have to take out this cable. Use another to pop it out. Oh, still hot. Still quite hot. Oh, yeah. Okay, the screen has been popped out. You can see a lot of grooves. Okay. Okay. So this is the damaged screen. Let's put it at the side. Then next we just get this new screen. We're going to install on the pocket. Just get some screw first. Apply some. Already apply some screws. Then trying to just put the screen into the cable into the screen. Okay. So we just put it aside. Make sure you put it at the right position. You just press in. Yeah. Just press. Just use your hand to press. Okay. After you just press, then about few minutes. Okay, now it's ready. So after that we just put the motherboard back. Just put the motherboard back. Okay, so we have already connect other connector. We're going to do a test, see whether the gimbal, the screen is working. Okay, so let's see how. Oh yeah, it's working. That's great. Okay, so we're trying to apply some glues. we use glue to seal up all the connectors. Okay. So after that, we just put the metal cover back with okay, we still have some more things to do. We have to put it. So we just try to put it back. Okay. Then just screw on it. And just put the battery back. So let's test again. Okay. Yeah, it's working. So up and down. Okay, test the function. Then we put the cover back. Yeah. So now okay. So now the gimbal is working.